Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to display our other apps in Redmi A5. So in order to do that, you have to first enable developer option. So this is really easy. Simply you have to scroll down, click on about phone, and here you have to again scroll down, and here you will see build number. So you have to tap it 7 times. So if I tap it, you can see I am already a developer, but if you don't see this option, you have to tap it 7 times. The next thing you're going to do is go back, and in the search setting, you have to write display. What do you have to write? Display over. So here you have to write display over, over. You will see this option. Simply click here, and now you have to simply enable it. As you can see, it's allow apps that can display our other apps to our list settings screen. So simply you have to make it enable. So in this way you can display our other apps in Redmi A5. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.